All right, meteorologist Dean Davison, responding fire, the weather pros. We're talking about a couple things. First off, we're going to talk about the possibility of a tropical system that will develop here off Florida. That would move along the coast, front moves to the east. We'll kick it out to sea, but we could get some good waves along the eastern coastline. And this will be near Florida. Depends where this develops. You could have a little bit of wind involved with it also. 70% chance the next 5 days of development for that. Around here, we're going to get into more of an unsettled pattern. Enjoy tomorrow, because after tomorrow, things will get a little more active. Chances of thunderstorms on the weekend, but then it really ramps up with the possibility of a low getting cut off, and we might be dealing with rain for 4 days straight after the weekend. So to take a look at that, here is the daily 5-day. As you see, sunny skies on today on Friday, 77 degrees, 80 with a chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon, 40% chance. On Saturday, 80, 88 on Sunday with the same thing. That could be severe on Sunday. Monday and Tuesday, rain chances increase, temperatures come down. We may have to lower them again. And beyond that, depending on if this low cuts off, we may be looking at Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday with rain too. So, but then possibly being nice by the Memorial Day weekend. We have to watch out for that, and we will here at the Weather Pros and Responding Fire. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and stay safe.